Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with File Explorer, specifically if it's not working properly when you're attempting to do a search or it's really slow in loading. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in services. Best match should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to scroll down to the Windows Search service and double click on it. If the service is running, go ahead and select Stop, and then select the Start option. And make sure startup type is set to automatic delayed start, and then select Applying, okay? Once you're done with that, close out of here. Open up the search menu and type in indexing. Best result should come back with indexing options. Go ahead and open that up. Go ahead and select Advanced, and then where it says Delete and Rebuild Index, select the Rebuild button. This may take a long time to complete. Some views and search results might be incomplete until rebuilding is finished. Select OK. And then this should take a couple minutes to run here, so please be patient. Okay, so once that indexing is done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Simple as that, and hopefully I should have resolved the issues you're having with the File Explorer search. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.